Friends, last lecture we have to discuss about the defects and their concentration. In these defects and their concentration, therefore the two category. First is a intrinsic category, intrinsic defects, and the second is extrinsic defect. Okay, and the last lecture we have to end of this first category, that is about the intrinsic defect. Okay, in this lecture we have to discuss about the extrinsic defect. Okay, the crystals by doping with the selected impurity. Okay, therefore the crystals, this crystal it is a doping with the selected impurity, means this crystal it is a formation by the impurity, the crystal it is formation by the some impurity, and this impurity it is a formation form the crystal. Okay, they add the calcium dichloride to and sodium chloride in order to preserve the electrical neutrality. Each Ca2 plus ion it is a replaces 2 Na plus ion, so one cation vacancy is created. Such created vacancy are known as extrinsic defect. Okay, definition of the extrinsic defect is about the addition of the calcium dichloride to an sodium chloride crystal, and in order to preserve the electrical neutrality, in order to preserve the electrical neutrality of each Ca2 plus ion, it is a replaces 2 Na plus ion, it is a replaces 2 Na plus ion. The one cation vacancy it is created, one cation vacancy is created, and such created vacancy are known as extrinsic defects, are known as extrinsic defect. The definition is a very simply about the extrinsic defect, that is about they add the calcium dichloride to the sodium chloride crystal in order to electrical neutrality, to order to preserve the electrical neutrality, means Ca2 plus ions electrical neutrality we have to preserve the electrical neutrality of the Ca2 plus ion, and it is a replaces the 2 Na plus ion, means Ca2 plus ion it is a replaces with the 2 Na plus ion, so one cation is formed, one cation vacancy is created, one cation vacancy is created. In this preserve electrical neutrality, one cation vacancy is created. Such created vacancy known as extrinsic defect, such created vacancy known as extrinsic defect. Okay, then the zirconia it is a structure, it can be stabilized by doping with calcium oxide, where the Ca2 plus ion replace the zirconium fourth atom in the lattice. Okay, therefore the zirconia it is a structure. Okay, and this structure is it is stabilized by doping with calcium, means some impurity with the calcium oxide, and therefore it is formation of Ca2 plus ion, and that is replace the zirconium fourth atom, means this Ca2 plus ion it is a replaces with zirconium fourth atom in the lattice, in the lattice. Okay, this is the extrinsic defect, and this is the second category of defect and their concentration. Okay, then second point is about the concentration of the defects. Okay, concentration of defects, that the concentration of the defect is about the energy is required to form the defect. This means that the formation of defect is an endothermic process. Okay, in the concentration of defect, therefore the energy is required in the concentration of defect, therefore the energy is required to form the defects. Okay, energy is required and to formation of defect, the formation of defect by the energy is required. This means that the formation of defect means the formation of defect is an endothermic process, means the formation of defect is an endothermic process. Okay, then second point is about the enthalpy formation of the defect is the balance by the gain in entropy at equilibrium and the overall change in free energy of crystal due to effect. The formation is zero according to the equation. Okay, therefore the enthalpy of the formation of the defects means the enthalpy of the formation of the defects. Okay, this formation of defect we have to enthalpy is formed, and this enthalpy is formation of defects, enthalpy is balanced by formation of defects, enthalpy is balanced by gain in entropy at equilibrium, means this enthalpy is balanced by gain in entropy at equilibrium, the overall change in the free energy, the overall change in the free energy in enthalpy that about the crystal due to effect. The crystal it is due to effect, the formation is zero, means the crystal due to defect, the defect is formation is zero according to the equation, the delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Okay, this is the equation of the free energy. This equation it is discussed or you have to learn in the SYBSC paper number first, that is about physical chemistry and the inorganic chemistry. Okay, therefore that is about delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Okay, this equation shows that the free energy of the crystal due to defect, this equation shows that the free energy of the crystal due to defect, the formation is zero, the formation is zero, means your free energy is zero by the crystal defects. Therefore this equation it shows that the crystal due to defect, the formation is zero, means the crystal it is form the defects and it is and the crystal is formation this defect it is zero by this equation, that is delta G is equal to H delta H minus T delta H. Okay, then the particular temperature there will be an equilibrium, the particular temperature there will be an equilibrium, the population defects in the crystal. Okay, therefore the different types of the equilibrium population of the defects in crystal and it have its particular temperature, okay, you have to example like the 100 degrees Celsius particular temperature and that have the equilibrium population of defects in the crystal is somewhat, that is 100 equilibrium population, the 80 degree particular temperature its equilibrium population of the defect in crystal is it is a less. Okay, this is the third point in the concentration of the defect. Okay, then the fourth point, that is about the number of Scotty defect, it is 1:1 crystal of composition, mx is given by. Okay, number of Scotty defects, you have to know about the number of Scotty defect, it is denoted as ns, small ns, and it is in 1:1 crystal composition, it is in 1:1 crystal of composition. Therefore the mx is given by, means the number of Scotty defect in 1:1 crystal, means the number of Scotty defect in 1:1 crystal, means this defect in the 1:1 crystal and it is formation of the number of Scotty defect, that the formation it is a composition of mx is given by ns is approximate capital N experiment raised to into bracket minus delta hs upon 2 kt. Okay, this is the formula of the number of Scotty defect. Okay, then where the ns is the number of Scotty defect, where the ns is the number of Scotty defects per unit volume at the temperature oblique Kelvin in the crystals. Okay, where the ns is the number of Scotty defects, ns is number of Scotty defect per unit volume at temperature oblique Kelvin. Okay, in the crystal with the nitrogen cation and the nitrogen anion side per unit volume, or the capital N it shows the nitrogen N cation and the N nitrogen anion side per unit volume in the crystal, and the delta Hs is the enthalpy required from one defect, means delta Hs is the enthalpy and this enthalpy it is required from one defects. Okay, the Scotty defects by considering the change in entropy of perfect crystal due to the introduction of the defect. Okay, you have to introduction of the defects to the perfect crystal, due to the perfect crystal of the entropy and the Scotty defects is considered. Okay, this Scotty defect this sentence it is says that the Scotty defect by consider, means Scotty defect it is a considered in change in entropy, Scotty defect it is a considered in change in entropy of the perfect crystal, means perfect crystal change in entropy, therefore Scotty defect it is considered in this change in entropy of the perfect crystal due to the introduction of the defects, due to introduction of defects, means in the introduction of defect, therefore the change in entropy energy of the perfect crystal it is a consider the Scotty defects. Okay, the change in entropy will be due to the change in frequency of the normal mode of vibration of atom around the defects. Okay, therefore the change in entropy will be due to the change in frequency, means your entropy is change, your frequency also change in the normal mode of vibration of atoms around this defect. Okay, this is all about the introduction part of the concentration of defects. Okay, next time we have to discuss about the derivation of the number of Schottky defects and the number of Frenkel defect. Okay, thank you.